many days did I spend thinking about how you did me wrong, wrong, wrong? Lived in the shade you were throwing till all of my sunshine was gone, gone, gone. And I couldn't get away from ya, in my feelings more than Drake, so yeah. Your name on my lips, tongue-tied, free rent living in my mind. But then something happened one magical night. I forgot that you existed, and I thought that it would kill me, but it didn't. And it was so nice, so peaceful and quiet. I forgot that you existed. It isn't love, it isn't hate, it's just indifference.